Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin, northwestern Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin until 9:45 p.m. At 9:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Waterloo to Deerfield and moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Mills, Jefferson, Watertown, Fort Atkinson, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Johnson Creek, Watertown Airport, Hobbleton, Milford, Richwood, Ellenville, and Pipersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of